Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a very long time, so yeah, and it's happy to be back. As you can see, I have already added my foundation on and did my eyebrows as well. Makeup look that I am going to be doing today is the pixel art creative makeup look. Firstly, I am going to be grabbing my You Can Be Athena painting palette. Or you can also use any face paint palette that you may have with you. And I am gonna be starting off with this small thin brush, as these are going to be for the cubes underneath or below your eye area. As you can see that I have already started out with 3 little cubes, and you should be starting out with the outline first, or you could do it on how things would work for you. But it will be much easier if you did an outline first and then going through the middle of the square. Underneath the eye area, it's gonna be taking a little bit of your time because it's underneath the area. So take all that time that you need to make that perfect little square underneath your eye, and you would have to go back and forth through those boxes so that you can make it look more pigmented. And the shade that was used from the palette was a light blue color. The next color that I am going to be grabbing is a teal light color, and for sure the next square is going to be much more easier for you. As to the square to what you have drawn will be the one guiding you to be making the alignment very well. And for this, I am going to be making it as a checkered line of the squares only. And then I am going to be grabbing my third color, which is like an indigo or a dark blue color. As you can see of the dark blue color, I have added it on the side of the other box, like how it is going by sideways, as to what I am doing right now. It's nice to keep on switching the colors so that you may see how it's gonna be looking on the next step, like how I am going from light blue to dark blue so that we can see where to put the squares in the right places. Now this is how it looks like for my one eye, and now I am going to be doing the same on the other eye as well. Same pattern and same style, just on the other eye. And now for the eyeliner, I am going to be grabbing the black color on the palette, or you can use your eyeliner if you do have one, but although I chose this as it is much more pigmented and it would be like matching to the one underneath or below your eye, because we are going to be drawing another cube that will be in the eyeliner area as well. And now for the heart, I am going to be grabbing a small brush. As to where I am going to be starting off with the heart now. If you do have a much smaller pointy brush, then that would be much easier for you, as you do need to make the cubes very small compared to the one you did underneath or below your eye. I do apologize if the video gets a little bit blurry. Some of y'all may know the reason why, or sometimes I don't get too focused on the laptop when I'm getting too focused on the art that I am doing. Wait, not art, or something like me trying to focus to get it doing right. Now for applying the white face paint in between the heart, you are going to be grabbing the white color shade, and you do want to be gentle and careful when applying it inside the heart, as you don't want it to smudge everywhere. And this is only going to be for a one type of cube, which is going to be like the sparkle type for the heart or the shiny area, as you want to make that wonderful effect. To where I am going to be adding the hearts are going to be in between my nose and in the other side of my cheek as well. Or you can add how many hearts you want depending on your liking. There is also another shortcut way of how you may draw the cubes as to what I have done, as for example. And then for a star-like or a sparkle kind of star, you may want to grab your pointy, or if you have a small square brush, then that would be amazing as you are going to be drawing the star. When drawing the star, you would want to leave that small square in between that you have not added a white face paint. After adding it to your cheek, you may add it to your nose as well and your other side of your cheek. You can add either small or big ones or even medium ones, as long as there is every type of sizes that is gonna be to what you want. And now for the final item that I am going to be drawing is a yellow star. First, I am going to be grabbing the brown shade, and then after that we may want to use the color yellow shade after doing the brown one. My star does not look that perfect, so it will be up to you guys on how you would want to draw that kind of star that would fit to your liking. For me, I have added 2 stars, which is one on my left cheek and one on the right cheek. And now for the lipstick, I am going to be grabbing my Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette Volume Number 1. And I am going to be taking the red shade, although it is my mistake to be taking the red shade as sometimes it may not fit to how you want it to look. But you can also grab another shade, either a nude kind of shade, so that it would blend with the colors that is already there to what you have drawn, like the heart, the star, and the cubes underneath your eye. After applying my lipstick, I have added now my falsies or false eyelashes. Hope you guys like this final look that I have done, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys!